Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to become a waterman or waterwoman superhero with your AI. I mean, if you look at this effect, you would see that the images here, they become they are way more than water benders. They become the water themselves. I mean, it's really crazy. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create this water element with this wonderful AI I found called Higgsfield AI. So you can just go to Higgsfield AI, sign in or create an account, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the water element. So after you've chosen the water element, you'll be brought to a page like this. You can select any of them. You can see that there are different water variations. So this guy is a little bit transparent, but you can see his trousers are still apparently visible. This lady is translucent in a way, and the same thing with all of this. But this guy is really, this is more than translucent. Is transparent in his own. And this lady has fire streaks or yellow streaks all around her. So it just depends on what you want. But if none of them strikes, you just click on the generate icon, and then you'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually just upload your image, describe the prompt, and if you have something else, you can also add it here or use ChatGPT to give you a properly detailed prompt. Then click on the model of choice in this area, select your duration and your resolution, and select hit generate. Once you've done that, your video will be rendered within 10 to 15 minutes or sometimes longer depending on the account you are using. If you're using a premium account, obviously it's going to be shorter, and if you're using a free account just like yours faithfully or yours truly, it will be a longer period. So these are the examples of videos that I have created using different effects on Higgsfield AI. And one thing I love about Higgsfield AI is that there are no watermarks. Whether you're using the free or the premium versions, there are no watermarks, and this means that you have unlimited uses, although you can only create 2 per account. Like you can see, I've used 100% of my credits, and it's just it means that you just have to get premium if you want to really enjoy Higgsfield here. So that's all for this video. I hope to see you in another one, and please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in another one. Have a great day, guys.